Chad Mendes here. This week I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite ways to do access steer burgers. Let's get to work. So our go-to rub for any burgers is the Provider Crosshairs Rub. This rub is loaded with dill pickle flavor and goes phenomenal with any type of burger. I also like to add about half tablespoon to a tablespoon of garlic. And the final step is a little bit of mustard. I typically go about a tablespoon, half tablespoon. All right, so for this style of burger, I like going hot and fast. We got this Traeger turned all the way up to 500. She's nice and hot. We're gonna put these suckers on and basically sear them. We're gonna go ahead and pull these things off and let's go build these burgers. All right, to build this beast, this is what we do. My go-to is a butter garlic sourdough toast. Then we mix a 50-50 ketchup mayo. We spread that on both sides. I love using roasted red peppers, some avocado, and a little bit of lettuce. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'm about to grub this burger right now. I will catch you guys next week.